So let's get started and see how much I made from Google AdSense. I'm so excited. Okay, so we are going to count this out in princess dollars. They're very cute, very colorful, and I don't want to get burgled because I live in New York City and I'm a finance and accounting major, so I'd rather keep my cash all playful and fun. Plus, I find this a little bit more motivating. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We want to make sure that we have plenty of low dollars, so plenty of 1s, 5s, and 10s. 1, 2. Let's see if I have any more 1s. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We'll do 6. Oh, you know what? Okay. 7, 8, 9, 10, and then 1, 2. Okay, we only have 2, so I need a 6. I'm going to bring that over here. Perfect. So right now we have 26. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65. 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. I honestly can't believe this. Like, thank you so much to everyone. I really, really appreciate it. You all are honestly the best. And this is 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So we have $326 to play around with, to give back, pay off debt. Oh yes, we are definitely giving back and we're definitely doing a giveaway with this. I'm so excited. Thank you so much to everyone. I really appreciate it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So 326, we're going to pay off the rest of the bills. We're going to do some guilt-free spending, some investments, and we're going to give back and do a giveaway.